I've had this WD Passport external hard drive for about 5 years, and here's why I still use it today, and here's why it might be a great external hard drive for your PS5 and PS4. So this is connected to my PS5 right now. I've used this for about 5 years, and I can tell you it's a godsend when it comes to storing your PS4 games. Now, something to keep in mind, this will not play PS5 games off the drive. But if you want to download PS5 games and you're running out of space, you can move the games to this drive from the PS5 internal storage to the external drive. And then when you want to play the game, you can move the game to the actual PS5 console internal storage and boot the game from there. But when it comes to playing PS4 games, and if you have a PlayStation Plus membership, if you have Essential Plus or Premium, you will get a lot of free games from the store. So I download those games and I usually put this on the drive and play it on there, or you can move it to the PS5. But this has been a godsend. This is a 4 terabyte version of the Passport external hard drive. And here you can see this is what it looks like. It's a pretty small device. It is a regular hard drive, it's not an SSD. I can feel it humming and moving. The disks are chattering. It uses a USB connection. It gets plugged back to the PS5 and it runs. So it's external hard drive. I have all my PS4 games on here, and extras of PS5 games can be stored in here. So if you look at my PS5 menu, this is the settings for storage. As you can see, it's registered as a Passport 25E2, 4 terabytes, but it'll say 368, which is what you can actually use. And it has never failed me. It's been very consistent in terms of speeds. Again, this is a hard drive that's external and not an SSD, but for PS4 games, it does the job. So you can see all my PS4, PS5 games are loaded on this drive. I have a bunch of them. A lot of them are the free games that come with PS Plus. And I want to play them some of these days, but I just don't have the space on the PS5. So I would drag it onto this hard drive. And it's been the best thing that I could ever invest in because I can play this anytime. I can always add more games anytime, and it's been very reliable. So if you have a PS5 or even a PS4 and you will have a backlog of PS4 games that you want to play digitally, then this drive might be the thing for you when it comes to just having the portability. You can plug this hard drive and put it on the PS4 or PS5 and just load the games off of there, and it will work pretty seamlessly. This went from my PS4 to my PS5 with no issues at all. On the PS5, you can also set it so that the games that you download for PS4 get saved on this drive automatically. But as you see, a plethora of games. There's so many games, and with games nowadays, the amount of space you need per game is huge. Look at this, Mass Effect Legendary Edition, 85 gigs. That's a lot. So this WD Passport has been pretty much a lifesaver when it comes to just being a gamer.